Condoms. Hello, welcome to our video series on contraceptive methods. In this video, I am going to tell you about condoms and show you how to use them. Condoms protect you from getting pregnant and also prevent sexually transmitted infections in men and women. A condom covers the penis during sex, keeping sperm and germs inside of the condom and out of the genital area. Condoms are easily available. They are safe and have no side effects. They are highly effective at protecting against sexually transmitted infections, including HIV and HPV, which causes cervical cancer. Condoms are good at preventing pregnancy, but to be really effective, you must use one every time you have sex, no matter what. And very importantly, you must use them the right way. Use a new condom every time you have sex. Before you open the package, check it for damage and make sure it hasn't expired. The package should have a little air inside when you squeeze it. It is not safe to use if the condom is damaged, too old, or dry and brittle. Throw it out and use another one. The package tears open easily from the rough edge. The condom unrolls with the rolled side out, but not the other way. Be aware that a little fluid often leaks from a man's penis as soon as it becomes hard. This little bit of fluid may contain sperm or germs, so the condom must cover the penis before it comes near your genitals. Put the condom on when the penis is hard. Here's how. With the rolled side out, pinch the tip of the condom and unroll it all the way to the base of the hard penis. Squeeze the tip to be sure that there is room for the man's fluid when he ejaculates. If there is no room for the fluid, the condom might burst. Right after the man ejaculates, before his penis becomes soft, have him hold the condom around the rim while he pulls out. This prevents the condom from slipping off inside your vagina and leaving sperm and germs inside of you. Then, take the condom off carefully. Check that it is not torn, then tie it shut and throw it away in the trash or the latrine. If it's torn, you can use emergency contraception right away to avoid pregnancy. It only takes one sperm to get pregnant. Remember, use a condom only once. Practice how to use condoms so you're comfortable using one when the time comes. Using condoms needs both people's commitment. You may find it hard to bring up condom use with your partner or to persuade him to use condoms every time you have sex. Talking first can help, but bring it up before you're in the heat of the moment. You might emphasize preventing pregnancy rather than focusing on condoms as a way to prevent sexual infections. You can remind him that people don't usually know they have an infection, so it's better to be safe. Let him know that it is because you care about each other that you want to be sure you are both safe and protected. Or you can just say no. You won't have sex with someone who doesn't respect you or themselves enough to use protection. You can also find ways to make condom use more pleasurable, like using lubricant. Most condoms come already lubricated, but adding extra water-based lubricant can make condoms feel great and keep them from breaking. Be careful not to use lubricants that contain oil, such as baby oil, cocoa butter, or petroleum jelly. Oil damages condoms and may cause them to break. Be sure to keep plenty of condoms available and nearby, so they're easy to get without interrupting the action. Keep these points in mind. Use a new condom every time you have sex, no matter what. Squeeze the tip to make sure there is space for the fluid. Remove the condom before the penis gets soft, holding the rim while the man is pulling out. Using condoms for protection shows that your man cares about you. He's being a real partner in your sexual relationship. And that's important.